Yo guys, so I called this on Twitter. Good afternoon, my baby whales. Here's a freebie that I normally only share with my private elite tier group. I said watch cow to DCA to short in this range. The target is the yellow line, but I'm gonna take my profit early. I even said in my elite group as well that it was very important for everybody to get into this trade. First thing I did was I told everybody about cow. Good morning, elite tier. I'm stacking up my cow shorts already in this range, right? I told them with an update, my only update on cow I can give because I'm out. So you can see that this coin, it's dropped a very substantial amount already. And I'm not sure if it's going to drop further. I don't want to take that risk of a very heavy bounce to the upside. Okay, so it might make a descending kind of triangle. I might wipe out all of my profits as well. But of course it can still continue to the downside. Like, you know, it can easily just keep going. But regardless, I'm going to take most of my profits right now. So I'm up a little bit right now. Doing very well. Extremely happy with this. Oops, I'm going to start closing my positions very slowly. Starting with just a little bit at a time. With, say, 100,000 cow. Let's close my short position with a limit. See if it's going to start to fill here. Alright, so it filled up 100,000 cows. And let's try to fill up another 100k cow. See if that guy's going to fill here. I'm doing it slowly because my position's too big, and because it's too big, it's going to cause a spike in the market. If I market execute, then there's going to be a lot of slippage. So this is going to get filled. Perfect. That got filled as well. Let's see if it's going to drop lower now. Give it some time just to see how the market is going to react. I'm doing this in the back of a taxi cab, by the way. I'm happy with this. I'm going to take another 100k. So here we see breaks down. It's trying to smash this just down over here. I'm being extremely patient about it. Of course, there's a chance for it to break down much lower, but it's my lady's last day here in Turkey, and I want to spend time with her and not be worried about a trade, you know? So let's keep closing this and see if we can actually just get out of this trade. So I got a little bit more, 200,000 more cows to close. I'm gonna close another 50k, see if they bite on me. And this will be the last one that will close right now, coming up soon. And position entirely closed. Let's see how much. Nice, that was a very good one, 8,900. Yes, that was a good trade, guys. 10k a day keeps a real job away. So I took another trade. I took a trade at the descending triangle because it's making lower highs. And I closed my first trade there. Okay, you're gonna see my close. Let me show you. So the first trade that I took, if you look at the position history, it says that I closed it at 6926, which is right around here, right? 69, like literally 6926 at the bottom. Because I anticipated a bounce at this particular low. And that's exactly what happened. And usually it's going to end up forming some sort of descending type of triangle, or it's going to make like a lower high like this. It's always going to find a bounce first, and then it makes a lower high. So that's why I took my profit here. And I said to myself, if it was going to, you know, start to hit this higher or lower high again, then I would re-enter. And that's exactly what I did. It hit up there again. So the first one there, I took $8,000, and now I've re-entered again. Next step now is to see how it reacts at this yellow line that I'm moving, right? It's very logical it's going to hit it. There would be almost zero reason for it to not hit it. So because of that, I'm probably just going to add like another tiny position, maybe like 50,000 more. So I added a little bit more. I'm now in a maybe, I don't know, like I'm in a tiny position here, as you can see, like 175,000 only. So now we got to reevaluate what's going to happen when it hits this lower trend line, which it's probably going to hit it with certainty. That's why I added a little bit more. Why would it not hit it, right? So once it hits there, we're going to figure out if it's going to bounce lower or not. But I think that it's going to hit this white line down over here. See the white line? I think it's going to break. It's going to hit it. Then it's going to go down over there. Yeah. All right, so I'm up a lot today. I'm up 3,400 now. I was up $8,000 earlier, 8,800 earlier. My trades have been huge. Look, 1,300, 400 loss, 200, 300, 100 loss, 1,500, 7,800, 700, 2,100, 5,400, 37. Just look at this, man. I ain't losing, bro. I ain't losing. Barely losing. Some trades I lose, but man, the profits are monstrous. They're so freaking big. Look at this. Dot 5,000. Man, my wins, they like make up for Theta 9,000. What the fuck? Theta, Ethereum. It's crazy, man. This is why I'm at this. In 30 days, guys, I'm up $402,000 today. You know how crazy that is? That's fucking insane. That's life-changing money again. So you look at everything, guys. You look at how the kernel trends, right? The kernel trends and trends and trends on the 45-minute time frame, bounces on the 45-minute time frame, bounces again, right? And then it bounces, breaks below it, goes back above, but yo, it can't stay above it, man. Right? You guys have to be able to fucking, like, I can't handhold you for everything. You know, I can't do that, guys. I'm gonna be busy sometimes. But if it's a clear descending triangle pattern, like, you might want to short it. That's why I'm up like another $4,000 right now. I'm up 2.34%. Sure, I trade bigger than most, but anybody can trade 1 to 2 to 3 to 5% profits and still make huge amounts. So the goal is simple. If it breaks below here, man, you just short it. Just fucking short it. If there's a big wick down, just chase it. You have to chase shorts. Like, you gotta literally chase shorts if it's gonna break down huge with conviction and it's really red. But I don't know if it's gonna break down, but there's definitely a 5 wave that's probably formed already, right? Like, I think there's 5 waves. I was saying like ladder in the green box, but doesn't mean it's always gonna get up there, right? So I think it's gonna drop now. Like, if there's one more wave, maybe there's one more tiny wave up. But I'm done. It's my lady's last day here in Turkey, and we're gonna eat. And we're gonna eat a lot of food tonight. And we're just gonna watch movies and chill, and I'm okay. I'm already up $10,000 today. So that's the plan. If it falls below here, you just add more. If it doesn't, and I find support, like, you know, support's easy to identify. You kind of have like a pattern like that, where it's just holding, and then you see bullishly diverging MACD going up. See the MACD? It's starting to go up, right? The MACD is going up, up. It's not breaking, so it's gonna hold. So yeah, man, I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. We'll see. We'll see soon. So the hesitation, it's probably gonna get right to this white line. And then after that, we're gonna evaluate whether it's gonna bounce or not. But I'm anticipating a drop down. But you just never know, man. Like, you never know. There could be a rally up. And like, I'm so greedy that I want, like, you know, 15, 20, $30,000 profit. But I'm okay with, you know, I guess I gotta be okay with making $10,000 a day. Like, that's okay once in a while too. You know, even though I want 20, I'm gonna take $10,000 a day, because let's be real, who the fuck makes $10,000 a day? You know, I'm making more than a surgeon. I'm making more like than most people that have been to school for 7 years, right? So it's like, who cares? So I'm gonna take my profit probably soon. Yeah, I think this is a really good trade. I think it's gonna make a pattern and just keep forming in it, but you never know how it's gonna play out. So we'll wait to see how this plays out, and then if I need to take my profit, then I need to take my profit. That's it. All right, guys. So fuck it. I'm gonna take this pretty huge profit, because you know why? Because I made too much money already today, and I just don't care, man. I fucking don't care about a few more $1,000. You get to a point where it's like, oh, I don't need another few thousand. But you know what? I don't need it, but my ego needs it. And you know what else needs it? My ego. My ego needs a few more $1,000. So I'm just gonna take. Nah, I'm just joking, guys. I'm gonna take my profit now. Nah, I'll just take my profit. I'm gonna close my cow position right now. Start closing 50,000 cow. Yeah, we're gonna start closing now. close the short position. Put some limit orders in there. No, it didn't actually fail. It spiked up the market instead, motherfucker. Okay, there we go. It did. Let's do some more. There we go. Oh, it's definitely doing it. Okay, so I close. Let's close a little bit more. And now let's close the rest. Fuck it. I don't care if it drops after that. Of course, there's a chance for it to drop, but I'm just not interested in trading this anymore. Let's see if it closes. Alrighty, guys. It closed. Fuck yeah. Beautiful. We took in another $4,800. So that's basically $13,900. Close to 14K that I took in today from 2 trades. Damn, that's a really good day. This is the P&L after fees. So I'm up 13,500 today. And in the last 30 days, I'm up $407,000. Let's go. All right, so I took another trade. It just keeps making a descending triangle. So it's like, maybe we should probably just short it, right? Just keeps dropping lower and lower on the lower highs. So I had to short it. So because of that, like, you know, I'm just gonna short it and close it. I'm gonna close it. I don't really care about spiking up the market. I probably spiked up the market a little bit. But man, I'm so tired today, bro. So today I made 14,000 plus another 4,200. So today I made $18,000. So this is my P&L today, $17,415. There you go, 17,415. In the last 30 days, I'm making basically what a brain surgeon makes in 1 year, $411,000 profit. Fucking, I'm done today. I'm too tired to trade. I don't care. Yo guys, what's up? So you're about to watch 3 trades of mine back to back tonight, where I shorted Cal 3 times. But more importantly, the first thing I did when I woke up today was when I went to my elite tier trading group on my private Discord trading, where I call literally every single one of my trades. Every position I call, every position I take, I call. The first thing that I did today when I first woke up, I said this: good morning, elite tier. I'm stacking up my cow shorts already in this range. I told them I'd be shorting in this range. And then I give them a really detailed update, okay? And then I tell them more about reasonable targets. And then bam, I update them throughout the day. The pattern is in. Talking about the descending triangle, the pattern is very obvious. And I just keep updating them on cow every single time. Update on cow. Updates on cow. And then you know what it ended up being tonight, guys? It ended up being this. Let me show you, okay? Let me show you guys this. This is what it ended up being tonight on cow. On cow, I ended up making $19,000 on cow. And I called everything in my elite tier Discord group. I even gave Twitter a freebie today. I even said to Twitter today, here's a fucking freebie, right? I said to them right here, good afternoon, baby whales. Here's a freebie that I normally only share with my private elite group. I'm telling you guys, the elite tier Discord group, that's where you want to be. You need to come learn and trade with me. I made a deal with the devil. Because of that, I'm taking on way better trades than most people will ever take in their life. My win rate is at an astonishing 90%. You guys need to click on this link below. Check out my 60% off sale right now that I have. The 60% off sale gets you 60% off of my elite group and also access to my course. So check it out. This is what you guys are going to get, okay? You're going to get access to Philakone's course version 3.0. You learn everything in my 20-hour course about mastering the day trading markets. You also get 6 months of access to my private Discord elite trading group, where I literally have this, okay? Live trading calls and signals. I'm literally the only person on Twitter in crypto that does this. Nobody does it better than me. Not only that, my accuracy is crazy. Like I said, guys, I made a deal with the devil, and that's why I'm here, and other people are there. Here's my P&L for the last 30 days, okay? 30 days. Yesterday, I made $55,000. Today, I made $17,400. I'm up in 30 days, $411,000. If you guys make this investment in yourself, it's going to be one of the best decisions you will ever make. So I will see you in my elite tier private trading group. Let's go!